Alright, data item description. The data item facility defacer 80149 program support letter addendum. Program support addendum document the adequacy of the government furnished faculties facilities detail of the modifications required for the facilities. The program support letter addendum should be deficiencies and inadequacies of the facility by amending the government provide program support letter. Approved date with the April 7th, 86 of the primary office of the AFCC TSPMO. Um, Application and relationship with the data is the description contained with the format, content, preparation, structure for the data protected. Product generated specifically discrete task requirements of the data include the contract AMSCM number F3812. Preparation instruction contract. Data item is generated with the contract contains specifically discrete work tasks developed within the data product. General the program support letter or addendum shall be the detailed result of the contractor facility review, which shall indicate with the item to item building modification required equipment, the configuration support installation of system corresponding with the program support letter reference for the which for the deficiencies and inaccurate program support letter addendum should amend the government provide with the program support letter in accordance with the engineering installation standard of regulation 105. 115. That's the engineering installation center regulation 115. All inadequate deficiencies shall be keyed with the proper government. Um, Provide with the program support letter addendum. Contents program letter support addendum shall have the following: project title, scope, person contacted with the date of the actual survey. Amendment to the government provide with the program support list noting the required change additions delated by paragraph. Scale drawing indicating the proposed floor layout of all the equipment location and the interface points. Other information as may be deactivated with the drawing shall indicate the required modifications, existing structures, exact power requirements of the system, storage, other special service support required with the government for preparation and installation of facilities. And then we'll move on to page 2. Program support letter addendum. Program support letter addendum shall contain the amendment of the government provide with the program support letter. The amendment shall describe all the deficiencies and inaccuracies of the facility identified during site survey required with the modification shall be keyed with the applicable program support letter paragraph. Amendments shall be written in such a way that the corrected program support letter paragraphs indirectly in the government program support letter. Floor plan layout. Floor plan layout should contain the following specific sites and or base locations described with the exact equipment space for the U of the main reference for the tab for the AFCC record drawing by name, number, and revision shall be used the required space. Identify all known suspected limitations, equipment, and facility performance attributed to a proposed site. List any known restriction, further future expansion contractions into the vicinity. Detailed blue line drawings, proposed floor plan layout showing exact cabinet rack location, battery rack, power room layout, maintenance administrative area layout drawings shall be inside the D or E, shall contain central office key site, key or legend, electrical requirements. Program support letter addendum shall contain the exact power and electrical requirements of the system be installed with the power requirements of voltage, frequency, phase, number of wires, and total kilovolt ampere or kilowatt electronic equipment that shall be stated within columnary form with a primary AC, backup AC, miscellaneous AC. For example, is UPS for the primary backup of the DC specified nominal voltage, frequency tolerances. Technical power and panel, the quantity of filtered, unfiltered AC power panels provided with the receipt reserved shall be specified with the total include the specific information circle with the makers for the provided reserved quantity, each type of the voltage, current rating, and the number of the poles in use. 1063 non-technical power panels, quality unfiltered AC power panels to be provided with the reserve shall be specified. Include specific information circuit breaker, provide reserve quantity, each type of the voltage, current rating, and number of the poles in use. And then 10.7, special service of the program support letter addendum shall contain storage area required by the contractor base for the store of the equipment prior to installation start of the program support letter addendum. Shall also identify special item support not covered in the program support list, provided as much information possible to identify specific special services required. And that was page 2 of 2 of your program support letter addendum DI Facer 80149. Testing.